So next we are doing the tale of
Two
stupid
people
kids.
in
A
story.
Hansel
And
Gretel,
by
brothers
Grimm.
once
Upon
a time.
time
There
were
two.
siblings.
They
Loved
their
father
who
was
going
to
travel
far
far.
away.
The
Siblings
needed
to
eat.
so
They
went
out
into
the
woods.
in
1472.
they
Went
and
journeyed
through
the
woods.
until
They
found
a
old
old house.
When
They
went
in
they
found.
nothing.
So
They
continued.
home.
The
Next
day
they
ventured
out
into
the
woods.
again.
This
Time
they
brought
bread
crumbs
to
leave
in
their
path.
they
Went
to
a
pond.
where
They
shot
a
duck.
but
The
duck
flew
away.
and
They
were
sad.
and
Happy.
and
Confused.
and
Hungry.
the
Children
were
still.
hungry.
So
They
went
further
into
the
woods.
there
They
found
the
home
of
a
witch.
the
Children,
even
though
their
father
had
told
them
not go
into
to
strange.
houses,
They
still
went
into
the
house.
inside
They
found
a
surplus
of
food.
in
The
form
of
candy.
they
Ate
so
much
candy
that
they
threw oh
Way to go, Jenna.
oh
The
which
proclaimed
what
are
you
doing
to
my
house.
the
Children
were
terrified.
of
The
which
so
they
tried
to
escape.
however
The
which
was
smarter.
so
She
magicked
broom
broom
and
beat
the
children
with
the
broom.
into
The
closet.
after
She
left
the
children
alone.
for
2
hours,
she
returned,
and
put
them
into
a
oven.
then
They
cooked.
and
Didn't
die
they
were
just
lightly
tanned?
the
Children
managed
to
escape
because
the
which
was
silly,
and
easily
distracted
by
shiny
objects.
Once
The
children,
escaped
they
were
more
happy,
and
could
burn
the
witches
house.
down.
Then
They
followed
their
breadcrumbs
back
to
Hey! He said
Breadcrumbs is a
breadcrumbs.
word.
No, it's not.
bread
Crumbs
back
to
their
house.
where
Their
father
head
left them. Left
them
to
die.
but
They
found
fountains
of
youth
and
lived
happily
ever
after.
be.
And Giraffe Mom.
Hold that.
Looks fine to me. I'm sure he'll live.
Murdering
The first
person.
interstellar brain transplant ever performed by a female with one male hand only.
Spin your hand around.
Ah! Protect the brain! Protect the brain!
Sorry, Bob. When you bleed out, it's Jenna's fault.
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Oh! I think I'm doing a good job.
I'm not prepared for this.
And he is a gunner.